In Microsoft Excel, when entering a number value with leading zeros, Excel removes the leading zeros. Excel offers various ways to keep leading zeros for number values. Select the range where you want to keep leading zeros. Go to the Home tab. In the Numbers group, expand the Format drop-down. Choose Text Format. Now, if you enter numbers beginning with zeros, the leading zeros will not be removed. The entered values are treated as text rather than numbers. Select the range. Right-click and choose Format Cells. Go to the Number tab. Select Custom Category. In the Type text box, enter a custom format. Press OK. Upon inputting values, custom zeros are automatically added with a fixed number of digits of 5. The leading zeros are for visuals. The original value remains unchanged. Type an apostrophe before any number. It will not show in the worksheet, but will be visible in the formula bar. The text function allows custom formatting of pre-existing data with a fixed number of digits. To permanently keep the leading zeros, go to the File tab and click Options. Click Data from the left pane. The contextual settings will appear on the right. Go to the Automatic Data Conversion section. Uncheck Remove leading zeros and convert to a number. Finally, click OK. Now, Excel will always keep the leading zeros.